So just want to let you guys know that I accompany my mother, which happens to my brother. He's the one making all the loud noise. So let's say hi. Guys, I have to hear that. I think I go see. Oh, you know me probably I'm watching George Lopez.
Unless you put him on TV and I'll run private.
Anyway, I'm trying to do this. Just a little quiet.